In this recipe video, you will learn that cooking steak is very easy, but it's also very easy to ruin. So it's very important that you know the right procedure, the timing, the temperature, so everything should be totally spot on. Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen. This is Chef Morris. Today I'm gonna teach you how to cook a perfect steak. There are many kinds of steaks in the market, but right here we have the ribeye steak. As you can see, it's thick and so beautiful. You got this marble effect. So kailangan po, pag magluluto tayo ng steak, kailangan po lalabas muna natin siya from the fridge for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Kasi po, pag masyadong mababa ang temperature ng steak, makaka-apekto po ito sa doneness ng ating steak. Now let's season our steak with salt and pepper. So be generous. 30% ng ating seasoning ay mawawala while we are cooking. So pakapitin lang natin maigi yung ating salt and pepper sa ating steak. Kung meron po kayong cast iron pan will be very good, but kung wala naman po, even a normal pan like this will do the job. But kailangan po heat up natin siya maigi para sa searing ng ating steak. So kailangan po is very hot talaga. Now our pan is very hot. I'm gonna put some olive oil. So we're gonna brown our steak for at least 1 minute or 1 minute and a half. And the effect is lalo magiging masarap yung ating steak, lalo na kapag siya ay caramelized yung kanyang sides. So now let's flip over our steak. So as you can see, maganda na yung kulay ng ating steak. Kung makikita nyo, nag-caramelize na siya maigi. So tatandaan nyo po, kapag ang steak ay no color, that means also no taste. While searing, I'm gonna add some herbs, 2 cloves of garlic. We don't have to chop it or peel it off. Just leave it like that. Then I'm gonna use some good amount of butter to baste our steak. Put it here. Our herbs. Just let it melt. Now we're going to baste it. So ngayon po hayaan natin mag-rest ang ating steak for at least 5 minutes para po lalo pa siya maging tender. Huwag niyo po siyang hiwain kung hindi pa siya nakakapag-rest dahil ang tendency po pag hiniwa mo siya without resting ay magiging tough po ang ating steak. So, lagay lang po natin siya sa isang container para po siya pag-rest.